In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a portrait design to landscape in Canva, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Now, Canva is a fantastic online design tool that offers an array of customizable templates you can use for almost any kind of visual project. Changing orientations in Canva is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as easy as possible. First up, let's start by navigating to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to do so by clicking the login button located at the upper right corner of the screen. You have the option to log in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email if you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Canva homepage, where all the design magic happens. Next, cast your eyes to the top left corner of your screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up a menu. From here, click Create a Design. This button is your gateway to initiating a fresh project or tinkering with an existing one. In this menu, you'll see a plethora of templates and design types. You can either choose from these pre-existing options or start a new design from scratch. Whatever suits your project needs best. Once you have your project open, you'll want to focus on the top menu bar. Look for the Resize button. Sometimes it might also be labeled as Resize and Magic Switch. Click on this button and you'll be presented with options to alter the dimensions of your canvas. Here's where you have a really useful choice. You can either select the preset sizes for landscape or portrait, or if your project needs something quite specific, you can click custom size and manually enter your desired dimensions. This flexibility allows you to tailor your design's size to fit perfectly wherever you intend to use it, whether it's for print, social media, or elsewhere. After selecting or entering your landscape dimensions, navigate to the button that says Resize or Copy and Resize. By clicking this, you're confirming the changes and your design will be transformed accordingly into a landscape orientation. Don't worry, if you choose Copy and Resize, it will create a duplicate in the new size, leaving your original intact. This option is great if you want to maintain a separate version in the original portrait format for future use. And just like that, you've successfully changed your design from portrait to landscape in Canva. I hope this straightforward tutorial was helpful and inspires you to experiment with your projects, making them as versatile as you need them to be. Thanks for watching and happy designing.